Hello, class! Today we're going to be listening to the story 10 Little Fish and discussing how we use a 10 frame to help us count for math. So let's review. Numbers on a 10 frame. A 10 frame is a long box with 10 spaces. The first row has 5 spaces and the second row has 2. To show numbers on a 10 frame, we fill the top row first. When the top row is filled, you have 5. When both rows are full, you have 10 full objects. Remember, this is showing how one 10 frame is filled. In your packet this week for math, one of the activities is to fill in a 10 frame. So you can see here that you have one blank 10 frame. If you want to show the number that says here, 1 10 and 3 ones, you would fill the 10 frame up with 10 and have 3 additional ones to make the number 13. You can use counting cubes or cereal to help you fill in those numbers when you're making a 10 frame. Remember, the first 10 frame is filled and you have additional ones. So when using a 10 frame, you can always just create this box here. You don't have to print out. You can use a black magic marker, pencil, or pen and just create 5 boxes on the top and 5 on the bottom. So we read the story 10 Little Fish, and I have some counters here to help us count out. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can look here and we can see that there are 5 counters in the 10 frame at the top. Now when counting on, when we add on, we don't have to recount 5. We can just see that there are 5 across and add on to the bottom. Count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we can see our 10 frame is all filled up and we have 10 counters in the boxes. Oops, they keep sliding. So let's say we wanted to make the number 8. How would we make 8 in the 10 frame? We have 5 on top. And how many do we have on the bottom? 3. 5 plus 3 will equal 8. You can write the number 8 on your side paper or just write it with your finger. Okay, let's try another one. Let's make the number 6. How can we make 6 in the 10 frame? We have 5 on top. And how many on the bottom? 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So practice counting using a 10 frame. If you don't have counters like these, you can use money. You have pennies. You can use food, Cheerios or Fruit Loops, or any cereal works best too. What would happen if we had our entire 10 frame filled up? How many would we have? Who can guess? 10, very good. We have 10 little fish. Okay, so today CJ is going to read us this story and we are going to be practicing how to use a 10 frame. So I just went online and found a 10 frame here that I printed out and it has 10 boxes in. And we're going to use our goldfish here to fill our 10 frame. So CJ, can you fill the 10 frame with a goldfish? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. All right, so let's listen as CJ reads the story, 10 Little Fish. What's the title of the book?
There are the 10 little fish.
Okay, who's it written by? Right on the front page.
Here.
On the cover. Written by Audrey.
Audrey Wood.
Okay. Bruce Wood. Okay.
10 little fish swimming. 10 little fish swimming in a line. One dives down and now there are
How many?
9.
9. Okay, so what do we have to do in our 10 frame?
Take 1 out.
Yep, take 1 hour. Subtract.
9 little fish swimming around a crate. One goes in, and now there are 8.
8. Good. So let's look at our 10 frame. We have 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 little fish swimming toward heaven. One jumps up, and now there are 7 little fish.
7.
7 little fish swimming through sticks. One gets lost, and now there are 6.
6. Okay, let's look at our 10 frame now. We have 5 in the top and 1 on the bottom. Ooh, one's trying to get away. So we have, how many?
6.
6. Good.
6 little fish swimming to
Survive.
survive. One likes to hide, and now there are 5 little fish.
5.
5 little fish swimming by the shore. One grabs a snack, and now they are 4
4.
little fish.
We are subtracting those fish out of our 10 frame.
4 little fish swimming out to sea. One makes a friend, and now they are 3 little fish. 3 little fish swimming in the blue. One waves goodbye, and now they are 2 little fish.
2. We have 2 left in our 10 frame.
2 little fish swimming in the sun. One takes a nap, and now there are only 1 little fish.
Oh.
What will he do? Along comes another fish, and that makes
How many?
2 little
2.
fish.
So now we're adding.
Adding.
Good.
2 little fish in love with each other. Soon, one is a father, and now the other is a...
So what do you think? Wait, one is a father and now the other is a...
daughter.
Turn the page, let's see. Now one is a what?
Mother.
A mother.
Mother. But mother and father doesn't count this time.
Don't count this time.
Just 10 little fish swimming in a line.
In a line. Good. So now how many do we have to put back in the 10 frame?
9,
Let's count. There's 3 there.
3,
Yep.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. You need 7 more. 3 plus 7 equals
Not 10.
10. Good.
Put 10 back in.
You gotta put all 10 back in.
These guys are swimming away.
We're swimming away.
Here we go.
And there they are swimming.
Here we are swimming.
The end.
The end. Bye.
Bye. Oh no, a big shark comes and eats all the fish.
Oh no.
Oh no, we have to eat all the goldfish. The best part of using snacks. Hope you enjoyed our story. So sometime this week, go ahead and practice using a 10 frame. You can use goldfish, you can use cereal, you can use pennies, even if you have pennies or Cheerios, anything fun. Great job, Siege.
Thanks.
Bye. So a fun creative way to use a 10 frame at home. If your families have maybe painter's tape and you want to be brave and make some boxes on your carpet, you can go ahead and create that and make 10 squares to make a 10 frame. You can use your toys or any objects you may have laying around your room or your house to make a fun 10 frame at home. Just a reminder, again, this is how you create a 10 frame. Let's look here with the blue and red dots. Count the top row and add the bottom row to find the number. Remember, when you're using your higher digit numbers, you're going to need 2 10 frames. One 10 frame is filled with the number 10. The second row is going to be filled with whatever number is on your paper or that you're trying to find. So you can see here 15 is one full 10 frame and 5 rows in the second 10 frame. Awesome work today with counting and doing a great job with our 10 frames. Bye-bye.